It's inevitable that you're going to make mistakes while you're making your AutoChart live recordings. In this instance, you can see all the dots going across the screen. That was an area where I was running down the lake and I had not stopped my last AutoChart live recording. If I went ahead and created my map with those dots, then I'm going to get this kind of image, and this is incorrect because it's going to show me having depths in the thousands of feet, and we know that's not right. I'm going to show you how to edit your AutoChart live recordings so you can edit out bad areas. However, be aware that this is a very inefficient way of doing this. It's much better to use the capabilities in AutoChart. We have training tutorials both for AutoChart for the PC and for HumViewer that have excellent ways of editing out these bad areas. It's much more efficient to use those tools. To get into edit mode, the first thing you need to do is on the AutoChart Live menu, go down to where it shows Show Raw Data and arrow to the right. That label is now changed to Show Map Data, and down below the delete function appears. Very important, make sure that the cursor is on your track line, otherwise the delete will not appear. This gives me the track that my boat went on as I was making the recording. What I want to do is I want to remove this J at the very bottom. The first step is to use the cursor arrow keys and place the cursor right on the J. The AutoChart Live menu now shows a delete function. So now when you arrow to the right on the delete function line, it clears an area. To continue deleting the bottom of the J, I move the cursor down to the last area, then I arrow to the right while delete is highlighted. That will get rid of it. Now that I've finished editing my map, I go back to the Show Map Data and toggle that, and now my map appears. The bottom of the J is now gone and the map looks pretty good. This works well for small maps, but if you have a large area that you need to work with, it becomes fairly unwieldy. That's why it's best to use AutoChart, to use the editing features there, because you can do much more faster, and then you can bring this back into AutoChart Live.